That's a sweet and charming little story. It captures the spirit of Ramadan and adds a fun, whimsical twist with Momo the cat. Here are a few things I liked about it. Charming character, Momo is a delightful protagonist. His curiosity and determination are endearing. Relatable setting. The cozy home and the familiar ritual of iftar preparation create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Humor and heart. The story balances humor, Momo's messy cooking, with heartwarming moments, his pride and the family's affection. Ramadan spirit. It highlights the values of togetherness and sharing that are central to Ramadan. Vivid imagery. Phrases like whiskers twitched and rolling a date across the table bring Momo's actions to life.